Want to save money on gas? Here are some quick tips for better fuel economy. Tip number 1, smooth driving. Avoid rapid acceleration and hard braking. It can increase fuel efficiency by up to 30%. Tip number 2, use cruise control on highways to maintain a steady speed and save fuel. Tip number 3, proper tire inflation. Keep your tires properly inflated. Underinflated tires can lower gas mileage by 0.2% for every 1 psi drop. Tip number 4, lighten the load. Remove excess weight. An extra 100 pounds in your vehicle could reduce your MPG by about 1%. Tip number 5, regular maintenance. Keep your car well maintained. Regular oil changes and air filter replacements keep your engine running efficiently. Follow these simple tips and you'll be driving further for less. Remember to call CarShield to help cover unexpected repairs. Happy driving!